discuss now. Y is equal to square root of 2x square minus 3x.
Yeah.
So I am sharing the, you will tell me this question. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can stop sharing. And I'll start. You can stop sharing, Sathya. Oh. Okay. So the question there was square root of, as far as I remember, it was square root of 2x square minus 3x.
2x square minus 3x, yes, sir.
Okay. So this is actually 2x square minus 3x to the power 1 by 2. So if you differentiate it, there is a outer function, which is a square root. This is the outer function. And then there is an inner function, which is 2x square minus 3x. This is the inner function. Or we say outside function and inside function. They have used outside and inside. I'm writing outer and inner. So what we do here is, we will first differentiate the outside function. So we suppose that this inner function is a variable, is a single variable, and this will become 1 by 2, 2x square minus 3x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. That is nx to the power n minus 1 formula will be applied. After doing the differentiation of outer function, now we will differentiate the inner function. So when we will differentiate the inner function, which is actually 2x square minus 3x, so differentiation of 2x square will be 4x minus differentiation of 3x will be
Minus
3. So this is what we will get. So this will be half, and this power will become minus 1 by 2. So it will become the denominator, root over 2x square minus 3x like this. And 4x minus 3 will be in the numerator. So instead of taking 1 here, we can simply take 4x minus 3. So this will be your answer. Getting the point?
Yeah. So is that the answer? Is that it?
Sorry.
That's the final answer.
Yeah, this is the final answer.
So is that do we multiply it or do we
Multiply it. This is the multiplication. It is like this now. If it is g of hx or h of gx, I don't remember. If this is f of x, then f dash of x is equal to, you differentiate the outer function.
Yeah, yes,
like
that's the
this,
same. Into
and
h dash
multiply with
x.
h dash x.
Your answer.
Okay. Now you can share. Yes, next. Yeah. So would you like to try this one?
Yes, I'll come.
Okay.
So should I open the bracket inside the 3x plus 1?
You can open the bracket also of, or you can without opening the bracket also you can do. Both ways are there
Okay.
as you feel comfortable.
Sir, I got 2x cubed minus 18x squared minus 12x.
Okay, let me write it.
Okay,
First, you tell me the question, then you tell me your answer.
okay.
Then I will see whether that is fine. So, what was the question? Can you tell me the question?
Y equals x cubed
Hmm?
minus open bracket 3x plus 1 the whole square
It was
and
this?
square again. Yeah.
Okay, and your answer?
I didn't get the final answer, but
Okay,
I okay. I got it till 2x cubed
hmm,
minus 18x squared
okay.
minus 12x minus 2 into 3x squared minus 18x minus 6.
This you are getting?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how have you done it?
So
Can
I
you tell me?
opened the bracket first. The inside itself, I solved 3x plus 1.
So, this will become
That will become minus 9x squared minus 6x minus 1.
okay. Then,
So after that, I
differentiated it.
yeah, differentiated it, and then I got 2 into the whole x cube minus 9x squared minus 6 minus 1,
Minus 6x minus 1.
and into 3x squared minus 18x minus 6.
Yeah, perfectly right. So, this is same. 2 you are multiplying inside, right?
Yeah.
This is, yeah, correct answer.
So after this is 2x cubed.
No, you leave it as it is. You have got the answer.
Oh, so we don't need to solve further.
No, it's okay.
Okay. So I don't need to multiply that 2 as
No,
well.
no, that will be too lazy.
Okay.
You got the answer. That's it. Next one.
Then, yeah. And
Yeah.
next is chain rule.
This is the same thing. It is just the denotion that in different notation. Just I told you, dy by dx we need to find. So you find dy by du, then du by dx.
Yeah.
Okay, let us move further. Find the derivative of the following. So tell me this question. I'm
Yeah.
starting
Okay.
one.
So,
What it is?
y equals
Hmm,
3u squared
hmm,
minus 5u
hmm,
plus 2,
hmm,
and then u equals x squared
hmm.
minus 1
Okay,
at x equals 2.
it's equal to 2.
Yeah.
So you have to find dy by dx. Okay.
Okay.
So y is not a function of x. Y is a function of u. Y is a function of u because it is given in terms of u, and u is a function of x. So y is not a function of x. Now, if you want to find dy by dx, you have to do dy by du into du by dx. So this is just another way of doing chain rule. Now, dy by du, this y, which is a function of u, you want to differentiate it first. When you differentiate it, will you get 6u minus 5? Okay.
Yes, sir. Get that.
And then comes du by dx. So u is x square minus 1. So u du by dx will be simply 2x. So this you are getting. Now, they are asking dy by dx at x is equal to 2. So at x is equal to 2, what is u? U is 2 square minus 1. That will be 3. So dy by dx is equal to 6 into 3 minus 5 into 2 into 2. So you are putting x as 2, this x as 2, and this u as 3. How you got u? From here. So this will become 18 minus 5, that will be 13 into 4, 52. That will be your answer. You can think of this like this, that dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx, because this du and du may get cancelled and you will finally get dy by dx. So you can think like that also.
So, but then they already give x equals 2, so can't we directly
So then you
substitute?
can't differentiate now. The value is
No,
being
after
put.
differentiating.
Yes, after differentiating, we are putting x is equal to 2.
Yeah, yeah.
And u we don't know, so u we have to obtain from this relation.
Yes, okay. So we can substitute x in that.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Done, Satya?
No, sir. So does the du and du get cancelled?
Yeah, you can understand it like that, that du is being multiplied and divided. Any doubt anywhere, Satya?
So so what is d of u?
D of
U du.
du does not mean anything. It is differentiated with respect to something, like du with respect to x. So it will be 2x. Similarly, dy with respect to u, so it is 6u minus 5. So differentiation is done with respect to something. So the variable in which term it is given, we use that variable to differentiate it. Hello. हाँ.
So that's all.
Okay. Now you can share. One second, one second.
Yes.
Yeah, proceed. Find the, would you like, ये तो हो गया ना?
This one is not, sorry. This one is another one.
Effect. Okay, quotient rule. Next rule is quotient rule. Yeah, next one. Next slide. This I will explain it to you. Okay, next slide. Okay, next slide.
That's it, sir.
That's it. Okay. So you will tell me the questions.
Of quotient.
Questions. After the quotient rule. Quotient rule, I will explain it to you.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
these questions you will tell me.
Yeah.
So quotient rule, as we know that there is a product rule, that is a function fx is multiplied with gx. And when you differentiate this multiplication, you get something like this, that fx into derivative of gx plus gx into derivative of fx. So this is actually the product rule. Quotient rule is that if we divide fx by gx, or they might have been using some other denotion, I don't know, I don't remember. So it is about division. Quotient rule is about division, product rule is about multiplication. So in quotient rule, what happens that we take a division sign, big division sign, and this denominator square is in the denominator, that is gx whole square. Then we take this denominator here and we differentiate the numerator. Then we take a minus sign, we take the numerator and we differentiate the denominator. This is the rule which you have to remember. Now let us see one example. So the example which is given, can you tell me next slide? One example was there, one question was there.
Y equals 2x plus 6
Okay,
by x squared.
by
2x plus 6, sir.
in numerator it is 2x plus 6.
Yeah, and down in the denominator it's
Sorry,
it's x squared, sir, denominator.
x square.
Yeah.
2x plus 6 by x square, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now if we apply the quotient rule, we have the fx, which is the numerator, and gx, which is the denominator. And we want to differentiate it, y dash. Just see the formula above and fit it over there. Gx whole square. So gx is x square whole square. Then gx. So x square. Derivative of fx. What is derivative of 2x plus 6? It will be simply 2. Because x differentiation will be 1 and 6 will be 0. Minus fx, that is 2x plus 6. Into derivative of g, that is x square. That will be 2x. So this will be 2x square minus 2x into 2x will be 4x square minus 12x upon x to the power 4. Are you getting this? How we applied the formula?
Yes, sir.
So this will become minus 2x square minus 12x by x to the power 4. So this x will come out to be common. So minus 2x minus 12 and 1x will get cancelled. It will become x cubed. So this will be your answer. So you can start writing from here. Here, this mainly quotient rule. Product rule we already know.
And I think the board exam date sheet is out.
Yeah, it is out. And let me tell you the days of your examination. First there is English, na? You are
Yeah,
you have
English.
Hindi also?
No, I don't have Hindi.
Okay.
So I think it's
So
English 24th,
English 24th, correct?
chemistry 28th,
Yeah, chemistry 28th.
physics 6th.
Physics is 6th March.
Yeah, 6th March. Biology is 16th March.
Yeah, biology is 16th March.
So, and for psychology, it's 5th April.
Yeah, psychology is the last one, which is 5th.
So for, but they gave like 1 month for psychology.
It is for you because you have opted for psychology. It is not so for everyone. So you will relax a lot
Yes,
before
sir.
your psychology exam. Those who are giving maths, it is on 11th, right?
Maths
11th.
is on 11th, yeah,
11th.
11th March.
Okay. Now it is time for getting as sincere as possible. Written, Sathya?
1 minute, sir. I'm looking at the formula and doing it again. To understand. So in this one, it's minus, right?
Yeah, in this same line.
So g of x, the whole square is
Gx
it
is x square, no? Gx is x square. So in place of gx, you put x square and there is 4x square there.
says the answer is the final answer.
Yes. If this will be the final answer.
So isn't it minus 2x square?
Where
The final answer minus 2x square minus 12.
that x we have taken common now and divided x to the power 4 with that x and it became x cube.
Yeah. Yeah, done so.
Now, can you tell me what is the next question?
Root 1 minus y equals root 1 minus x square divided by root 1 by minus x.
Would you like to try this?
Okay, so yeah, I'll try.
Any doubts, Sathya?
No, sir. I think I'm trying to do it.
Okay. So I'll be back in 4 minutes. Meanwhile, you
Oh,
can.
okay, sir. Yeah.
Yes, Sathya, anything?
Sir, I couldn't get the final answer, but
Can you tell me the next step?
yeah, after this, I got it as half.
Next
Uh,
step, next to this.
yeah, so 1 by 2 into minus into 1 by minus x square bracket in bracket 1 minus x square raised to minus 1 by 2
Okay.
into root 1 minus x
Okay.
minus
Okay.
root 1 minus x square
Mhm.
into half 1 minus x raised to 1 minus 1 by 2
Okay.
by 1 root 1 minus x square.
So can you write it as 1 minus x simply?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now, one small mistake you have done, that is, you have not taken care of that. When you have differentiated this is fx, okay, and you said that you have differentiated it and written it like this. So what happens? It is 1 minus x squared to the power 1 by 2. In rough, you can see this. You don't need to show it. So in rough, you can do it. 1 minus x squared to the power 1 by 2, you want to differentiate, right?
Yeah,
So when you want to differentiate it, here what is happening? There is a chain rule. That is 1 by 2, 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 by 2, which you have written. It is correct. But there is not only one function. This is the outside function. And this is the inside function. This will be differentiated into minus 2x it will give. So what you have to do here, you have to multiply with minus 2x also along with this. Then it is the complete differentiation. This is the chain rule. No? You have to take care of that also. In this quotient rule, chain rule is at some place working. So when you differentiate this one, there will be a chain rule. Similarly, in the next one, that is square root of 1 minus x when you differentiate it, square root of 1 minus x. You have differentiated it and written it like this here. Here also you have to apply the chain rule, that is a square root of 1 minus x. When you want to differentiate, it will be 1 by 2, 1 minus x to the power minus 1 by 2. And the differentiation of this inner function 1 minus x will be minus 1. So that minus 1 you have to multiply it. There minus 2x will be multiplied, here minus 1 will be multiplied. Are you getting it? Just write this down.
so was the numerator wrong?
Yes, numerator was wrong. So incomplete.
Yeah. So um
Yeah.
we applied the chain rule here as well.
Yeah.
What
If it is a composite function, you have to apply chain rule. Root over 1 minus x square is a composite function. Root over 1 minus x is a composite function. There is a outside function, which is a square root, and there is an inside function, which is 1 minus x square. There are two functions.
Yeah. So what is minus 2x? How do we get minus 2x?
That is the differentiation of 1 minus x square. 1 is 0, then there is a minus, and x square is 2x. So 0 minus 2x will be minus 2x.
And denominator is made the same.
Hmm?
1 minus x on denominator.
Yeah, it will remain same. You are not differentiating that
So what
part.
is after this?
Then you will simplify it like you have written this.
Yeah, I've written this.
Okay, now you will simplify it. So you will say that it is now a2 and this 2 will cancel, minus a square root of 1 minus x, and this is root over 1 minus x square in the denominator, as it is power minus 1 by 2, and this minus 1 and minus will become plus here, square root of 1 minus x square by 2 root over 1 minus x, and this whole divided by 1 minus x. Then in the next step, what you can do is this whole divided by 1 minus x, then you can separately divide. So this will be minus root over 1 minus x by 1 minus x root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus x square by 2 root over 1 minus x into 1 minus x. And then you will write it as minus 1 by, this will be root, and this will become root 1 minus x, and this will be root 1 minus x square, and plus this will become root over 1 minus x square by 2 root over 1 minus x into 1 minus x as it is. This will be your final answer. So you can start writing from here.
So can you scroll down? Sir, so do we apply chain rule everywhere?
No, not everywhere. Where there are composite functions.
Composite functions as in
Like there is a outer function, outside function, and there is an inside function. So you have to apply chain rule while differentiating them. Like here, when you see, if it is like this, x to the power, like if it is x to the power 3 by 2. So no chain rule. This will be differentiated as 3 by 2, x to the power 1 by 2. This will be
yeah,
the differentiation. But if it is 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2, then what you do? 3 by 2, 1 minus x to the power 1 by 2. Then further 1 minus x will be differentiated because it is not simply x, it is 1 minus x. So it will be minus 1, then becomes a chain rule. Understanding the difference?
so but isn't like 1 minus x one variable, like one term isn't one term.
1 minus x is not x, no? It is 1 minus x. So you will have to differentiate 1 minus x separately.
Okay.
That is what chain rule says. If it is suppose 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2, then you will first differentiate 3 by 2 thing. That is 1 minus x square, 1 by 2. Then you will differentiate 1 minus 2x, that will become minus 1 minus x square, that will become minus 2x.
Yeah. So
Okay. So these are the rules. That is the sum, difference, product, quotient, and chain rule. These rules you have to remember. There are no more rules other than these.
okay. You're done, sir.
Okay. So would you like to do the next last question now, or you would like to do it later?
Sir, in this one it says equation of the tangent.
Okay. Okay, let me tell you. So you just tell me the question, then I will explain it to you, then you will try it now.
Okay,
So what is
find the equation of the tangent line
hmm?
at x equals -1.
Hmm?
So y equals 3x plus 4
Hmm?
by x square.
Okay. So what is the first step that we do? Find y. We put x is equal to -1 and we find y. Y will be 3 into -1 plus 4 by -1 whole square. This will be 1 by 1. That is 1. So the point is -1 comma 1. This is the first step. What is the second step we do? We differentiate y dash. This is what we get. So how we differentiate it? Here it will be quotient rule. So it will be x to the power 2 square and x to the power 2 here. Differentiation of 3x plus 4 will be 3 minus 3x plus 4, and differentiation of x square will be 2x. Will it be like this?
Are we using quotient rule here again?
Yeah, because it is numerator by denominator.
So are we going to use quotient chain rule as well?
No, here there is no need of chain rule. It is not a composite function. It is fx by gx. Fx, this is by gx. So quotient rule we are doing, and no, none of these two functions are composite functions. So we can directly differentiate. Just see the process. If there is a composite function and then you are differentiating, then you have to apply chain rule. If it is not composite, you will just differentiate as it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this will be 3x square minus 6x square minus 8x by x to the power 4. So this will be minus 3x square minus 8x by x to the power 4, which will become minus 3x minus 8 by x cube. That is the common x we will cancel. So we get y dash. Next step is to put x is equal to minus 1 in this and get the value at x is equal to minus 1. That will be the slope m. So minus 3 into minus 1 minus 8 upon minus 1 cube. So that will be minus 3 minus 8 minus 5, and it will become 5 finally. So this is 5, which is the slope. In the next step, we take the equation of the tangent y equal to mx plus b, and m is equal to 5. We take 5x plus b, and x and y are minus 1 and 1 that we got from there. 1, 5 into minus 1. 1 second. 1, 5 into minus 1 plus b. So this will become b is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So the equation will finally be y equal to m, that is 5x, plus b, that is 6. This will be your answer. These are the steps which we used to do. And here the only thing was that while differentiating, you have to apply the quotient rule.
So we have to use quotient rule in this.
That is what we have used, the quotient rule, fx by gx we have used now while differentiating it. That is what I was telling you, fx by gx.
Okay, yeah.
Rest of the steps are same as we were doing earlier.
So can you scroll down? Yeah, that's all.
That was the last question of that slide. So now I'm stopping the share. You can share which is the next one, and next class we will start that. Okay.
Okay, so
Applications of derivatives. Okay.